Gaming monitors have come a long way, but every now and then a display arrives that makes you rethink what a high-end gaming experience should be. The ASUS ROG Strix 32-inch 4K OLED Monitor XG32UCWG is exactly that kind of display. From the first glance, the glossy TrueBlack OLED panel stands out. Unlike traditional matte panels, this one delivers deep, rich blacks and vibrant, eye-catching colors that make every scene pop. Shadows gain depth, highlights feel intense, and every pixel looks sharp and precise. Whether you're exploring open worlds or battling in fast-paced shooters, performance is where this monitor really separates itself. At its core, it runs 4K at 165 Hz, delivering crisp, high-resolution visuals without sacrificing fluidity. But what sets it apart is its dual-mode capability. Switch to Full HD, and the refresh rate jumps to a staggering 330 Hz. That's extreme speed designed for competitive gamers who demand every millisecond of advantage. The 0.03 milliseconds response time ensures near-instant pixel transitions, eliminating ghosting and motion blur. Every fast-moving sequence feels smooth and controlled, giving a real sense of precision during gameplay. Variable refresh technology is fully supported with GSYNC compatibility. This ensures frames remain synchronized with your graphics card, avoiding screen tearing or stuttering even during intense action. Whether it's on a high-end PC or a next-gen console using HDMI 2.1, the monitor handles every scenario with ease. Console gamers can enjoy smooth 4K gameplay, while PC users can leverage USB-C DisplayPort connections for both gaming and productivity, reducing cable clutter and keeping setups clean. Longevity is a key consideration with OLED technology, and this monitor addresses it with smart features. The Neo proximity sensor detects when no one is in front of the screen and dims or powers down the display automatically to prevent burn-in. Pixel shift and screen preservation tools further protect the panel, ensuring long-term durability without interrupting the gaming experience. ASUS even backs it up with a 3-year warranty, which is a rare reassurance in the world of OLED displays. The physical design is as impressive as the performance. The stand supports tilt, swivel, and height adjustments effortlessly, providing flexibility to find the perfect viewing angle. The back panel incorporates subtle ROG lighting, adding a premium aesthetic without overpowering the setup. Build quality feels solid and robust, ensuring the monitor stays stable even during intense gaming sessions. In actual use, this display transforms the gaming experience. Colors remain consistent and vivid across different titles, from sprawling open worlds to competitive shooters. Motion clarity is excellent, and the screen's fast response keeps gameplay smooth and immersive. It's a display that excels for both professional gamers and enthusiasts who care about image quality and speed alike. This monitor isn't just about raw specs. It's about an immersive experience that brings games to life. It hits the rare balance of high resolution, ultra-fast refresh rates, OLED color depth, and console/PC versatility. For anyone looking to elevate their setup, it becomes the centerpiece of any desk, blending performance, design, and long-term reliability. If you're looking to get the ASUS ROG Strix 32-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor XG32UCWG, check the link in the description and grab yours now. It's one of the most advanced gaming displays available, perfect for those who want both visual excellence and competitive performance.